Hi guys! Got my VLANs with me. Out with the old, in with the new. So first we have to remove the bumper, and I'm gonna remove this bolt and this bolt, and then it has clips here and here.
Luxo, é mecânica? Você vai nas casas? É isso mesmo que eu tô vendo?
Hã?
Você é uma mecânica?
Não.
Oh, você tá um luxo, hein?
Remove this one, and this one. There's also one more right here. Now we're gonna remove these clips right here, and like that. So the way these work, you have to like twist it with the screwdriver and then pop them off. Same on the other end. One more.
Oh shit, there's a bee, there's a bee, there's a bee.
Wait. I'm posting that. There's one more up here. Oh, fuck. There's one more up here, but this side doesn't really have it. So now we gotta pop the side markers out. And then just pop it down. There's clips on the bottom right here, and on the other side, and then right here. There's basically clips underneath the car. So yeah, I'm gonna remove those. So now that the bumper is off, I'm not gonna really take it out all the way, but we're gonna remove this one and then this one. There's also a bolt right under there. You can just pop it right off. Remove this and this.
Hello, miss.
So this white thing comes off. You're gonna take it off with the little flathead, and then this white wire has to go in here, and you have to remove that little yellow thing. It just pops right off. Now we're just gonna connect this light for the high beams, and I'm gonna show you guys where it goes. So we got the D2H lights right here, like that. You want to make sure this piece goes like that, and then the little piece goes right there. Then you hold it, and there's four, and there's four here. Right? There we go. And you twist it. Make sure it clicks. Now we plug this into these. Right? It's a little difficult, but right there. Now we just stick it right in there. It's tucked in. And now we cover it with the little thing. Okay. I'm gonna connect this triangle one to this. And then this one to this. Now we're gonna put the bumper back into place and screw everything back together. Oh my god, they look so good. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And it definitely matches my white side markers. They look good. Oof, dirt marks, but thank you for watching. This is her all together.